We're diving into the 1960s today with this crochet flower motif pattern. I got this pattern from the Vintage Crochet book. I'll also link to the Trove pattern. You will need yarn in both a main colour and a contrasting colour, a 3.75mm crochet hook. The pattern does call for a 3.25mm crochet hook, but I couldn't obtain gauge with that, so I'm using a 3.75 instead. A pair of scissors and a darning needle. We're going to start this motif with a slip knot. You can use whichever method you prefer. Chain 6, slip stitch to form a ring. Chain 3. Next, you're going to double crochet 14 times into the ring. Slip stitch into the top of the chain 3. To start round 2, you're going to single crochet into the same slip stitch space. Chain 5. Skip 2 double crochets from the previous round and single crochet into the third one. Chain 5. Skip 2 stitches, single crochet. And again, chain 5. Skip 2 stitches, single crochet. Chain 5. Skip 2 stitches, single crochet. This time we're going to chain 6. Slip stitch into the first single crochet of the round. With your contrasting colour, slip stitch into the chain 5 space. Chain 3. Double crochet. Now you're going to add 3 treble crochets into that same space. Double crochet. Chain 3. Slip stitch into the chain 5 space. Chain 3. Double crochet. Treble crochet 3 times. Double crochet. Chain 3. Slip stitch into the chain 5 space. Chain 3. Double crochet. Treble crochet 3 times. Double crochet. Chain 3. Slip stitch. Chain 3. Double crochet. Treble crochet 3 times. Double crochet. Chain 3. Slip stitch. Chain 3. Double crochet. Treble crochet 3 times. Double crochet. Chain 3. Slip stitch. You can either break off your colour here, or you can leave it attached to the end and cut them together. I like to leave the ends of the main colour and the contrasting colour attached so that I can cut them at the end and not have to worry about an extra tail. To start the next round, we're going to pick up our main colour again. Chain 3. Single crochet into the top of the first double crochet. Chain 3. Single crochet into the top of the second treble. Chain 3. Single crochet into the top of the last double crochet. Chain 3. Now for the tricky part, you're going to single crochet between the petals. Chain 3. Single crochet into the top of the first double crochet. Chain 3. Single crochet into the top of the second treble. Chain 3. Single crochet into the top of the last double crochet. Chain 3. Now you're going to single crochet between the petals. Repeat single crocheting and chaining 3 until you get to the end of the flower. I'll meet you at the last chain 3. Now we're at the last chain 3 of the project. We're going to chain 3, single crochet between the petals. This one might be a little bit tricky. Then I like to just chain, cut my yarn, pull through, and that's it. That is the flower motif done. As you can see, I've got quite a few more and I'm going to make a bonnet out of them. Stay tuned for that video. Thanks for watching, like, comment and subscribe. Please click here for my bonnet video.